Why don't seniors use free will kits? Because they don't want others deciding when they should and shouldn't eat prunes. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on free will kit for seniors. Tip 1. Start with basic information. This involves gathering all the critical data such as full name, date of birth, residential address, and other personal identification details. Also, document the names, addresses, and contact details of the executor, beneficiaries, and anyone else involved in the will. Incorrect details can lead to confusion and legal issues in the future. Tip 2. Choose an executor wisely. The executor of your will carries out your wishes after your death. This person should be trustworthy, responsible, and capable of handling the task. They can be a family member, friend, or legal professional. Tip 3. Clearly outline the distribution of assets. List all your assets, such as bank accounts, mutual funds, properties, vehicles, jewelry, etc., and assign a beneficiary to each asset. Be as detailed as possible to reduce chances of any misinterpretation or dispute. Tip 4. Plan for your dependents. When creating a will, you should not only think about distributing your assets, but also about the people who depend on you. This may include a spouse, children, or others who rely on your support. Make provisions for their care and support. Tip 5. Consider contingencies. In case an heir or beneficiary predeceases you, you should specify what happens to your asset intended for them. You can specify another beneficiary for that particular asset, or integrate it with the rest of your assets. Tip 6. Understand the legal requirements. Based on your residence, different laws and regulations apply when drafting a will. Be aware of these legal requirements to ensure your will is legally binding and valid. Tip 7. Mention your burial wishes. Though not legally binding, having your memorial and funeral instructions in your will can provide a guide to your loved ones, helping them during a difficult time. Tip 8. Keep your will updated. A will should reflect the most recent status of your life and assets. Changes in your marital status, assets, or heirs should prompt appropriate adjustments to your will. Tip 9. Inform relevant people about the will. After you've written your will, ensure that your executor and a few trusted individuals know where it is stored. Tip 10. Consult with professionals. While it's possible to draft a will alone, consulting with a lawyer, especially one who specializes in senior wills and estate planning, can help ensure the validity of the document and its conformity to your state laws. Tip 11. Ensure proper storage. Once your will is completed, it's important you secure it properly. A safety deposit box, secure filing cabinet, or trusted lawyer's office are ideal. Ensure whoever you appoint as executor knows where it's kept and how to access it.